Hello, friends. Melt a quarter of a stick or 30 grams of butter over medium heat. Friends, I'd be so happy to hear where you're from. Let me know your city, country, and if you're in the US, your state too. Cut 2 chicken breasts into large chunks. If something is unclear in the recipe, just leave a comment, and I'll answer as soon as possible. Place the breasts in the pan. Let them fry on one side until crispy. After that, stir well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Chop 2 garlic cloves finely. Mince them with a knife. Liking this video would be appreciated. It's a great way to show your support. Add the garlic to the chicken. Mix well. Chop 2 onions coarsely. Friends, if you enjoy what you see, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for similar recipes in the future. In another frying pan, pour some olive oil. Sauté the onions for 3 to 4 minutes. Cut 1 carrot into half rings. Add to the onions. Sauté lightly. Cut 1 broccoli into florets. Then cut each floret in half. Add the broccoli to the onions and carrots. Stir the ingredients well. Chop 1 yellow bell pepper as shown in the video. Add to the pan. Stir well. Chop 1 red bell pepper the same way. Add to the vegetables. Stir again. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Transfer the chicken from the pan to the vegetables. Stir everything thoroughly. Cover with a lid. In a small bowl, mix 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and chicken. Stir to combine. Cover and let it stew for 10 to 15 minutes. Pour water into a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir well. Cover with a lid. When the water begins to boil, pour in 8 ounces or 250 grams of pasta. Cook until al dente, following the instructions on the package. Grate 4 ounces or 120 grams of cheddar cheese. Finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Remove the lid from the cooked chicken and vegetables. Stir everything again. Place the vegetable and chicken mixture on a plate. Take the pasta off the heat. Transfer to a bowl. Add the cheese. Then add the parsley. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon. Place a generous serving of pasta on the plate next to the chicken and vegetables. That's it. Tender chicken, crisp vegetables in a flavorful sauce, and cheesy pasta to bring it all together. I hope your family enjoys this meal and finds as much joy in it as mine does. Thank you for cooking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking!